my dear student. Now I'm going to record next video of chapter number 2, exercise 2.2, derivative based on rules. That means how to differentiate the in exercise 2.2 by directly giving by the rule. So rule means I'm going to write few rules here. First rule is d dx of C equal to 0, where C is any constant. What is the example? Like d dx of 5 equal to 0, d dx of pi, which is also constant 0, d dx of e power pi equal to 0, d dx of sine square x plus cosine square x. Because of this is identity function, its value is 1, so it is 0, like that. So first one is. Next one is, which is very important, I will use as a rule, d dx of x to the power n equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. What does that means? That means d dx of x to the power 5. So what you have to do, check n place of n is 5 into x n minus 1. That means 5 minus 1. So it means it comes 5 into x to the power 4. This is the answer. Now, next one is which is not given, very important, if it is given as 1 over x to the power n. So what we have to do? We can write it d dx of x to the power minus n. So see that one, in place of n, it is a minus n. So minus n into x to the power minus n minus 1. Or we can write it minus n divided by x to the power n plus 1, because of if you keep out some minus now, then it will come x to the power n plus 1 down term. What is the meaning of this one? So I am giving to you one example, d dx of 1 divided by x. So we can write it d dx of x to the power minus 1. So see that one, in place of n, it is what? Minus 1. So what you have to do? Minus 1 divided by n plus 1. N means here 1. So this one. Similarly, d dx of 1 divided by x square. See what you have to do? Whatever given n, just replace here, divided by x power 2. 2 means here n means here 2. So it is 3. d dx of 1 divided by x power 3, we can write it minus 3 divided by x to the power 4. Hopefully you people understand. Then derivative of constant multiplied by, that means next one is fourth number, d dx of k into x to the power n. That means k into n into x to the power n minus 1. Rule number 5, d dx of uv, that means product multiply, where u and v be the both differentiable function, and in your handout it is function of fx and gx. So no worry, you can say that u is a function of fx and v is a function of gx, or u is a function of gx, v is a function of gx. So what is that? U d dx of v plus v d dx of u. And next, d dx of division quotient rule in your handout, u by, again u is a function of x and g is a function of v is a function of x as in terms of gx. So what we have to do? V times d dx of u minus u d dx of v whole divided by v square, whole divided by v square. This is rule number 6. That means quotient rule. And then power rule, quotient rule. And many questions we will solve by using that one. And then derivative of the trigonometric functions. Derivative of the trigonometric functions. Derivative of the trigonometric function. That means d dx of sine x equal to cosine x. D dx of cosine x is equal to minus sine x. D dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. D dx of cotangent x is equal to minus CSC square of x. D dx of sec x equal to sec x tan x, and d dx of CSC of x equal to minus CSC of x into cotangent x, and d dx of inverse function, d dx of sine inverse x is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. D dx of cosine inverse of x is same but only negative. Write it same, just put it here negative. D dx of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and d dx of cotangent inverse x is same but negative, minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and then d dx of sec inverse x, d dx of sec inverse x is 1 divided by mod of x into x square minus 1. Similarly, d dx of CSC inverse of x is same but with the negative. Write it same and put it only negative. And then d dx of e power x is e power x. D dx of ln of x is 1 divided by x. D dx of ln of x is where x is always positive. D dx of log x base a. D dx of log x base a is 1 by x, 1 by x into ln of a, and d dx of a power x is a power x into ln of a. By using these rules, we will try to solve few questions from exercise 2.2. Find f dash x each of the following. So I will not write many questions here because all is very easy. So see, for example, if I want to find f dash x of this one. So what is that? Just multiply 5 multiplied by 3 x power 2, because of x power 3 use the rule d dx of x to the power n, minus d dx of x is 1 plus d dx of 1 is 0. d dx of x is 1. Why? Because d dx of it is given x power 1, we can write it. So in place of n it is 1 into x to the power n minus 1. So when you simplify it is 1 into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means 1. So that's why d dx of x is 1. So this is simplify. This is your answer. So 15 x power 2 minus 1. This is the answer of question number 1. Similarly, question number 2, f dash x is just multiply. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. X power 2 minus 1, that means 1 minus 7. d dx of 7 into x, this one. Similarly, question number 3, f dash x is multiply this constant with that one. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 and reduce 1 power 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Reduce x to the power 2 minus 1, that means 1. This is the answer of that one. Now 4 f dash x is 4 x power 3 and that one is minus 2 divided by x square. Why? Because I told you d dx of 1 by x we can write it directly minus 1 divided by x square. So plus minus minus. So it is that. Now, before going to start, what is the derivative of this one? First of all, simplify that. First of all, simplify it. So when you simplify it, it is 3 multiplied by that one. 54 x to the power 5 plus 13 x 13 multiplied by 3, that means 39 x divided by x plus 1. So what we have to do? We have to find that one. 54 multiplied by 5 into x to the power 4 plus, see that one here, up and down is given. So what you have to do? Use d dx of u by v method. d dx of u by v method. d dx of u divided by v. v into d dx of u minus u d dx of v divided by v power 2. So just assume this is u and this is v. So v and d dx of 39 x minus 39 d dx of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 power 2. So when you simplify, it is 54 multiplied by 5 is 270 x to the power 4 plus x plus 1 39 d dx of x is 1 minus 39x d dx of x is 1, d dx of 1 is 0. So this divided by x plus 1 power 2. Just simplify it. Whatever you have, that is your answer. Simplify it. Whatever you have, that is your answer. Now I am going to solve question number 6 in next page. Question number 6 in next page. So question number 6 is fx is equal to x square into 2 divided by x square plus 5 divided by x power 3. So what we have to do? Just first of all simplify it. So we can write it this one as x square, open the bracket, 2 divided by x square plus x square multiplied by 5 divided by x power 3. This cancel. So fx will be now 2 plus x square divided by this one is the x. So 5 divided by x. Now see, it seems difficult. If you simplify, you will get the function like that one. So therefore f dash x is derivative of the constant is 0 plus 5 d dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So just simplify, f dash x is equal to minus 5 divided by x square. This is your answer of question number 6. Question number 7. Now I am going to do question number 8. Question number 7, try by yourself. Question number 8. Fx is equal to x square into cotangent x. So what we have to do? F dash x is, that means this is product. So d dx of x square into cotangent x. So what you have to assume here, x as u and cotangent as v. So f dash x or gx fx function as it is given in the handout. So u or fx function into d dx of cotangent x plus cotangent x into d dx of x square. So just write the step-by-step result. d dx of cotangent is minus csc square of x plus cotangent of x, and d dx of x square is 2x. So when you simplify, it comes x square minus csc square of x plus 2x into cotangent of x. This is the answer of question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9 is fx is equal to sin x into tan x. Sin x into tan x. So what you have to do? Just differentiate again by using product rule. So u means sin x and d dx of v, d dx of v plus v and then d dx of u. Write the values, sin x and d dx of tan x is sec square of x plus tan x, d dx of sin x is cosine x. This is your answer of question number 9. Question number 10 I already solved. So try by yourself that. Now question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is fx equal to x square into e power x. So what you have to do? Again, this is product rule. So f dash x is u into d dx of e power x plus v into d dx of x power 2. So just step by step simplified. X square d dx of e power x is e power x plus e power x d dx of x square is 2x. You can write it like that one or 2x first then. This is your answer of question number 11. Question number 12. fx equal to fx is equal to x into CSC inverse of x. So what you have to, again it is product form. So f dash x equal to, why I'm writing here, just I'm telling that one. When you differentiate fx function, that means d dx of fx equal to u and then d dx of CSC inverse of x plus CSC inverse of x d dx of x. So when you differentiate with function, derivative of f x means we will represent f dash x and d dx of this one is d dx of CSC inverse is minus 1 divided by modulus of x into x square minus 1 plus CSC inverse of x d dx of x is 1. So this is your answer. There is no other simplification, so no worry about that. This is your answer. Question number 13. Fx is equal to 3 x to the power 5 into cotangent inverse of x. So what you have to do, differentiate d dx of fx is f dash x and differentiation by using this 3 x to the power 5 d dx of cotangent inverse of x plus cotangent inverse of x into d dx of 3x to the power 5. So what you have to do, 3x to the power 5 cotangent is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus cotangent inverse of x multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 15 x to the power 4. Just simplified, it comes minus 3 x to the power 5 divided by 1 plus x square plus 15 x to the power 4 into cotangent inverse of x. This is your answer of question number 13. No, question number 15. Fx is equal to Fx is equal to x to the power pi and pi to the power x. So what we have to do? Again, derivative of this one. So derivative of this one means f dash x uv method. So x to the power pi d dx of pi power x plus pi power x into d dx of x to the power pi. So pi means here constant. So what you have to do? Just simplify it. F dash x is equal to x to the power pi and this is pi power x. That means we need to use d dx of a power x. So d dx of a power x is a power x into a power x because of pi power constant term. So pi power x into ln of a plus pi power x and d dx of x power pi in place of n it is pi. So pi into x to the power pi minus 1. You can simplify it. X power pi power x into ln of a plus pi power x pi into x power pi divided by x. You can write it like that one or simplify just only like. So this is your answer of question number 15. Question number question number I'm going to do just question number 25. Question number 25. Other question please try by yourself. Fx is equal to 3x plus 5 divided by cotangent inverse of x. So you see that one, this is u by v rule. So what we have to do, d dx of fx is f dash x and u by v, that means v into d dx of u, 3x plus 5 plus, sorry, minus u into d dx of v. V means here cotangent inverse of x whole divided by cotangent inverse of x power 2. Just simplify it, f dash x is equal to cotangent inverse of x, and this d dx of 3x plus 5 is 3 minus 3x plus 5, and d dx of cotangent inverse is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole divided by cotangent inverse of x power 2. Just simplify whatever you have, that is your answer. That is your answer. Now, I'm going to do second part. I'm going to do second part of this exercise. Find the equation of second part of this exercise. Find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the function. Second part means find the equation of tangent line. So equation of tangent line, equation of tangent line will be like that: y minus y is equal to dy dx. This is slope at the point of x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. So x1 y1 means here point is given and dy dx means slope at the point. So I'm going to pick question number 1. I already solved. Question number 2. Second part, question number 2. Find the equation of tangent line at that y is equal to 2 times square root of x plus 1 at 4 comma 5. So first of all, we need to check what are the given term here. So x1, y1, this is your x1. x1 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 5. Now, next one is dy dx and then point slope at x1, y1. So first of all, we need to write dy dx. So 2 square root of x means half plus 1. Differentiate this one. D dx of y is equal to 2 d dx of x to the power half plus d dx of 1. So d dx of y means y1 or dy dx is equal to 2 x to the power n, that means n is here half, into x to the power half minus 1 plus d dx of 1 is 0. So this cancel. So half minus 1, that means x to the power minus half. So we can write it 1 divided by root of x. This is your dy dx. This is your dy dx is 1 divided by square root of x. What you have to do? Find dy dx at x1 y1. That means 1 divided by square root of 4. So 1 divided by square root of 4 means 2. So dy dx at 4 comma 5 is 1 by 2. Now equation of tangent is equation of tangent line is y minus y1. y1 means 5 is equal to dy dx at x1 y1 is 1 by 2 into x minus x1. Simplify it. whatever you have, that is your answer. Just we can do this one as 2y minus 10 x minus 4. Arrange all term in standard linear form. That means 2y minus 10 minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you can write it 2y minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer of question number 2. Hopefully you people understand. Hopefully you people understand. By that way, you can try question number 4, 3 by yourself. Try question number 3, 4 by yourself. If you try, then you will learn more. Now, I'm going to do third part. Third part is find the higher order derivative. Find the higher order derivative. So, higher order derivative. So, what he is asking, find d3y dx cube of y is equal to 3 cosine of x. Before going, just I want to tell you, if y is equal to x power 4 is given, if you differentiate with respect to x, y like that, you will get this dy dx is equal to 4x to the power 3. This is your called dy dx first derivative. If you differentiate again this one with respect to x, that means it is called d2y dx2 means again differentiate. So 4 multiplied by 3 x power 2, that means it is 12 x power 2. If you differentiate again, it is third derivative d3 by dx cube. What is that? Just multiply 24 into x. If you differentiate again, which is known as fourth derivative, that means again differentiate this. So it is 24. If you differentiate again, this is fifth derivative. D fifth y dx5 is equal to 0. So this is called higher order derivative. This is called higher order derivative. On the basis of that, I'm going to tell you that y is equal to 3 cosine x. First time differentiate. So dy dx 3 differentiation of cosine is minus sine x. So when you differentiate, it becomes dy dx is equal to minus 3 sine x. Now what he's asking third derivative. So again differentiate it. So when you differentiate again, it comes d2y dx2 minus 3. Differentiation of sine x is cosine x. This is your second derivative. Again differentiate it. It is third derivative. dy dx cube is equal to minus 3 and differentiation of cosine is minus sine x. So see that one, this minus minus plus 3 sine x. This is your answer in terms of third derivative of question number third part. Question number third part. Next one is third part question number. Next one is find question number 2. Find d2y dx2 of y is equal to 3 sine x plus x square into cosine of x. So it means that you need to differentiate 2 times. So y is equal to 3 sine x plus x square cosine of x. First time differentiation, dy dx is equal to 3 d dx of sine x plus c. This is product. So u into d dx of v plus v into d dx of u. I am assuming this is u and this is v. uv method. uv method. d dx of uv is u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. So just differentiate it. dy dx is equal to 3. d dx of sine x is cosine x plus x squared. d dx of cosine minus sine x plus cosine of x into d dx of x squared is 2x. This is your first derivative. Now, what he is asking second. So again differentiate this. So when you differentiate again, it comes d2y dx2 is equal to 3 and then d dx of cosine x and see it is product. So plus minus minus d dx of, make it bracket, d dx of, first we need to write x square. This I am assuming as u, v, u, v. So u d dx of sine x. Why I am not writing minus? Because of I am already taken minus outside. Plus sine x into d dx of x square plus u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. Just simplify. This is your answer. d2y dx2 is equal to derivative of sine x is cosine x is minus sine x. So minus 3 sine x minus x square d dx of sine x is cosine x minus plus minus sine x into d dx of x square is 2x plus cosine of x d dx of 2x is 2 plus 2x d dx of cosine x is the minus sine x. This is your second derivative. Just simplify whatever you have, that is your answer. Minus 3 sine x minus x square cosine x minus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x minus 2x sine x. So see that one? Just simplify this and this becomes 4. So it is coming minus 3 sine x minus x square cosine x minus 2 sine x, that means minus 4x sine x plus 2 cosine x. This is your answer of question number 2. Hopefully you people understand about the higher order. Higher order. Now I am going to do few questions as find the equation of tangent line by using direct rule. That means I am going to do question number sixth part. What is that? Find the equation of tangent line. Find the equation of tangent line. Equation of tangent line to the graph of fx is equal to x square plus 4 by x minus 10 at x is equal to 8. So what we have to do? Equation of tangent line, that means we need to write a rule. Equation of tangent line will be y minus y1 is equal to slope at x1 y1 point into x minus x1. So first of all, I need to check what are given. So see that one x1 is given here 8, but see y1 is not given. But this is fx function. That means fx equal to x square plus 4 by x. What we this fx we can write at y is equal to x square plus 4 divided by x. What you have to do, just replace x is equal to 8 here. Whatever you have, that value is called y1. So y1 is equal to 8 power 2, 64 plus 4 divided by 8. It means 64 plus 1 by 2. 64 plus 1 by 2. That means 64.5. 64.5. Now, next point. See that one, we have x1 and we have y1, but we do not have slope. So slope means y is equal to given here x square plus 4 divided by x. Differentiate this with respect to x. So d by dx, derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 d dx of 1 by x. I'm not writing directly because maybe some student confused. So 2x plus 4 and d dx of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x square. So it comes 2x minus plus minus minus 4 divided by x square. This is your dy dx derivative. But I need slope. So what you have to do? Slope, that means dy dx at x1 y1 8 comma 64.5. So 8 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 8 minus 4 divided by 8 power 2. That means 16 minus 4 divided by 64. So it comes 16 minus 1 divided by 16. So it is 1 divided by 16. That means total answer is 16.0625. So just replace that value. We will get the answer of equation of tangent line. Y minus y1, that means 64.5 is equal to slope 16.0625 into x minus x1. Just simplify it. Whatever you have, that is your answer in terms of slope. So like that, you can practice. Hopefully, this topic also you will get the clearance